how to recover deleted ChatGPT account and chats. So if you want to recover deleted ChatGPT account and chats, then what you need to do is first you need to try logging into your account on the ChatGPT website. Or you can also try clearing the browser or the app cache or use a different browser to log into your account. If you're unable to access your account when it wasn't deleted, it's just a minor glitch. You can also try resetting your password if you have forgotten it. If you can't access your account and are certain it's been deleted, the next step is to reach out your OpenAI support team for assistance. Because once the account is deleted, there is no way to get it back. Only a support team can help you with it. So go to the OpenAI Help Center, search for OpenAI Help Center, and then go with help.openai.com, which will take you to this kind of interface. Then you can just simply go with the chat button, which will be on the bottom right. A pop-up window will appear. Select messages and go with I can't log in. And you need to explain your situation. Mention that you accidentally deleted your account and would like to recover it. Be sure to include the email address linked to your account. Support teams typically respond with it 1 to 3 business days, so keep an eye on your inbox as well. AI does not allow you to directly recover the deleted chat histories. Once chats are deleted, they are permanently erased from the ChatGPT servers. So there is no way to retrieve them unless you have saved them on your device. To avoid losing important conversations, it's a good idea to periodically save your chats or export your chats. You can copy and paste the text or use a screenshot to create a backup of your chat. Or you may have the chats right here on the left side of your screen. You will have all of your history as well. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.